Good day, friends. My name is Vivek from class 40 of Suseva Global School. Friends, today I am going to talk about Geronimo Stilton's book, The Hawaiian Heist. So, basically, Geronimo Stilton is like a fictional character of whom Geronimo Stilton is not in real life, but Geronimo Stilton, who has written the Geronimo Stilton's book, is her name is Elizabeth Danny, aka Geronimo Stilton. So in this sentence, aka means also known as Geronimo Stilton. Okay, so in the first chapter of Geronimo Stilton, it is written, "You need a vacation." I will read it. In August, the air on Mouse Island In August, the air on Mouse Island is as hot and stinky as a melting cheese stick. Sweat dripped from my whiskers and splat onto asphalt under my bicycle wheels. I am frying like a feta fitter under the sun. I cried, patting as I paddled slowly up the hill. All around me, New Mouse City rodents were beating the heat any way they could. Some mice walked close to the walls to get some shade. Others waved fans, and some poured cold waters. Some poured cold water from street fountains right over their ears. So next page. To keep myself cool, I was wearing a special helmet with built-in umbrella. I had also installed a fan on my handlebars, which was powered by my paddling. It was hard work, but it was nothing compared to the work I had to do when I got home. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Geronimo Stilton, and I am editor-in-chief of the Rodents Galtes, the most famous newspaper on Mouse Island. Most of the Rodents Galtes employees had already left for their summer vacation, but not me. When you are a big cheese like I am, you have to keep your whiskers to the grindstone. As I rounded the corner to my house, a huge billboard came into view. It showed a marvelous mouse looking beach with white sand, bright blue sky, and a crystal clear water. A surfer mouse perched on a perfect wave. It said, "You need a vacation? Come to Hawaii. Crusty cheddar muffins. I never have worked. Did I ever have work to do?" I huffed to the billboard. The news awaits for no mouse. I screamed to halt outside my house. Look, this is the picture. Basically, tell me, which surfer mouse wears this? Like, look, which surfer mouse wears this thing, and can't you realize that there is a hole and bit of a shadow here? And which surfer mouse goes like, which surfer mouse has this thing under his head, under his neck? I don't think it's a surfer mouse's photo. I locked up my bicycle and struggled through the door books and papers inside my office. I was barely cooler than my office was barely cooler than the outside had been. You could have fired a slice of provolone on my computer. What the? I set a fan in the window and pointed it right at my desk. I tied a ice pack to my head like a hat and set out a bucket of ice to rest my sweaty paws. Then I prepared a refreshing tropical juice drink with a colorful little umbrella. Even if I didn't have time for an actual Hawaiian vacation, I could pretend like I was on a Hawaiian vacation. Okay, pretending. Suddenly the fan sputtered and died, grumbling. They marched over the window to fix it. I banged on it with my paw and to fix it. I banged on it with my paw and started working again. It started working again. But then I realized the roar was actually coming from outside. A bright yellow airplane zoomed very low past my window. The plane pulled an ocean blue banner behind it. It said, "You need a vacation. Come to Hawaii." So, okay, wait for a minute. Sorry. It was like, oh yeah, why did I did it? Again, where they are late. Moldy Mozilla, there's no time for that, I said, sitting back down at my desk. My paws are dead. I have to get this issue out. I worked for a long time until the boiling sun finally sank behind the clouds like a pat of butter on a pile of cheesy pasta. So look, this is the photo of the plane. And don't you see the same mouse, which is like the same mouse which is here? If you see, then please subscribe to my channel, because I am also going to read this book for you all. That reminds me, I'm hungry. Time for a break. I rose and stretched my paws above my head and eat some cheese and crackers. When I turned on the TV, and a program I'd never seen before was starting. A mouselet wearing a yellow flowered shirt stood on a white sand yellow beach. So this is his TV. Again picture. I don't know why, but again picture. Okay. And you need a vacation. Come to Hawaii, she said. Holy Swiss cheese! Hawaii again! The mouselet continued, working too hard, finding it difficult to relax. Come to Hawaii. On vacation, I turned the TV off. No. I have work to do, but as I headed back to my desk, the doorbell rang. Now what? I murmured. Now what? I muttered. I marched over the front door and yanked it open. What do you want? I stomped. It wasn't a mouse on my doorstep. It was a gigantic palm tree. Hanging from the palm tree leaves were a lot of small packages, each one of them wrapped in bright yellow paper. So look, this is the picture. And don't you see something suspicious? Look carefully on this palm tree. look, there's kind of a tail of palm tree. I suspect that this is the same mouse which was in the TV, in which in the and in the plane and in the billboard. I suspect this is the same mouse. Okay. Jumping jack cheese! I cried. What in the new mouse city is meaning of this? I eagerly opened all the packages. They contained a bathing suit, a straw hat, a bottle of sunscreen, a pair of flip-flops, a Hawaii tour guidebook, and Air Bananas plane ticket to Hawaii with my name on it. Geronimo Stilton is saying it. Okay. I looked up and spotted card hanging. You need a vacation. Come to Hawaii. I snorted in frustration. What kind of cat and mouse game are someone playing with? Was someone playing? I have work to do, I shouted. Suddenly, I heard sound of something being unzipped. Zip! Right before my eyes, the palm tree split in half and hurriedly Porat appeared. Geronimo Stilton, my old cheese friend. How can I convince you that you really need a vacation? You really use a vacation in Hawaii. So look, this is the IQ Porat. I didn't read, but I'm going to read this. Hercules is my childhood friend. He is a private detective and runs a very well-known detective agency in New Mouse City. I shook my head so hard my whiskers nearly fell off. Okay, sorry, accidentally did that. So, after Hercules said, how can I convince you that you really need a vacation in Hawaii? So, this is the first chapter of this book. If you want me to make more chapters, then please share and if you love this video, subscribe and also like this video. And if this video got like 10 likes, I'll make another chapter. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like. Because as the other YouTubers say, it is like very difficulty to choose a topic and like make video on YouTube. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.